Welcome to 1825 Sound Haven Court in Navarre. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome located in an awesome location in Navarre, Florida. So as you walk in, to the left you have a coat closet. To your right is your 1-car garage. Going straight, got your kitchen and living room, open floor plan, lots of cabinet space, granite. Also have a half bath on the first floor. Going upstairs, we've got 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Another coat closet here. That is your master bedroom. Lots of space here, tall ceilings, cellars. Took amazing care of this unit. Master bathroom. Got a big shower top combo. Double vanities, granite just like in the kitchen. A really good size walk-in closet. Another linen closet in the bathroom. Lots of storage here. Looking down the hallway. Got your second full bathroom. It's also a really good size. Got one oversized vanity here. Shower top combo again. And this way, you've got your washer and dryer closet. And 2 more bedrooms. We're using this one as an office. Can easily fit a queen-size bed in here and still have plenty of room. Dinner closet. 3rd bedroom. Lots of natural light in all bedrooms. This one's a really good sized bedroom as well. Dinner closet. So this is an awesome location in Navarre. This would be great if you move into the area, first-time home buyer, buying your first home, your first property, or if you want an investment property. This is also very close to a football field, so you can station here. And then once you move, you want to have an investment property. This is also a great option for you.